Hi guys. Let's continue with the next problem. All right, so let's read the word problem and analyze it. So Cafe 103 is collinear with and equidistant from the metric school and the Ingles lab. The metric school is located at point 46 on a coordinate plane, and Cafe 103 is at point 7 and 2. Find the coordinates of the Ingles lab. So, the keywords in this word problem, of course, is collinear and equidistant. So again, when you say collinear, points on the same line, and equidistant meaning equal distance, of course, from the word equi, which means equal. Distant, of course, equal distance. Okay, that's the coined word, equal distance. So, if we are to represent um, the places Cafe 103, the metric school, and the Ingles lab as points, it will be advisable for us to actually plot the points so we can see where these points align. So again, this point has to align or has to be on the same line. So that's why it's collinear. So let's plot those points. So it's given that metric school is located at 4 and 6. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 6. This is the metrics school. And Cafe 103 is at 7, 2. So that's 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. This is 7, 2. This is your Cafe 103. So it says that Cafe 103 is collinear. So it's the same line and equal distance from the metric school. So if we're gonna draw a line, so that will be that line from metric school to Cafe 103. And of course, the Ingles lab should be somewhere there. So let's take a look at that. So it should be a straight line. So this point should be on the same line. But how do we find the coordinates of the Ingles lab? So if we are looking at this particular points, 4, 6, and 7, 2, this forms a triangle, right? So, and also, of course, this line right here, I'm going to color it in green, has a slope, right? And of course, when you talk about slope, there's it's either go down to the left, or it goes down, it goes up or to the right, or it goes up and down, left and right. So if we follow this point from 4, 6, you notice that that particular point actually what? It goes down, or by let's count the points. I mean, let's count squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it went down 4, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 3 to the right from here. If I follow this to this point, Cafe 103, I will say I will go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll go to the right. 1, 2, 3. So if you look at it, I ended up at this point. Right? So if you notice, if we redraw that line all the way, that gives me 3 collinear points. And of course, the slopes we're following is of equal distance, because we went down 4 and we went to the right 4. So what is this point we end up with for the Ingles lab? So let's see. Of course, we ended up here at 7, so that's 8, 9, and 10. And then that is one, negative 1, negative 2. So that gives you 10, negative 2, right? So if this is our coordinate points, or our answer for Engel's lab, which is 10 and negative 2, how do we know that we did the right thing for midpoint? So let's analyze that answer, or let's justify that using the midpoint formula. So if we add 4 and 10 divided by 2, and of course our 6 and 2, which is our x1 and y1 and y2. So 4 plus negative 2, 6 plus negative 2 over 2. We'll get 4 plus 10, 14 over 2. We get 6 plus negative 2 is positive 4 over 2. We will get 7, 7, and 4 over 2 is 2. So 7 over 2 is our midpoint, which is 7, 2, Cafe 103. And that justifies that our answer for the coordinates of Engel's lab 10 and negative 2 is correct. So if you got questions, let me know in the comments. You have a good day. Bye-bye.